My name is Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So there's a bird that I can get actually really close to in my yard. So I'm going to show you if it's still there. I see it. Shh. I have to tell. Look. Shh. Do you see that speck moving? That's the bird. Try to get real close. Come here. So close I'm getting. No, come back! Guys, you saw that? I got close. Shut up! There's a bird! But I can still zoom in. Behind that bird. Guys, I might run. So I'm gonna pause you. Guys, I'm approaching. It's hard. So shh. Look, my feet. No, look at that bird. No, come here. Fuck. As you guys saw, but there is hopefully that bird's okay. I'll show you. To that spot moving. Well, that bird's safe, guys. I'm pretty sure that bird looks small because it's cute, but still it could get hurt, and we don't want it to get hurt. So please watch over it for me. Thanks, God. And I'll show you up here. There's a nest up here. Let's get to it. And we'll show you guys. See it? That's the nest. No, I don't have a nest, but nothing more. Oh yes. I could use this. Try to use it. Cause look.